That means more than any words, Clyde. Nick says she will test me loyalty. Deep in the bush. No Wi-Fi, no distractions, just we and nature. That first night, we sat by firelight. Tension thick in the air. She looked upon me serious and asked, Clyde, would you still love me if no phone rang? If there was no money? Me answer slow. Every answer, she watched like a hawk. Next day, she gave me tasks. Bring water from the river. Walk through muddy paths, sit in silence for an hour. Me sweat not from heat, but from die pressure. Then, she give me the final test. Stand up in that clearing and wait. Sunday set, cricket start sing. Me heart beat like drum. Me nearly give up. Then she step out and whisper, you're still here. That means more than any words, Clyde. Her tears glowed in the firelight, and in that moment I felt her answer. Still, the real challenge wasn't in the bush. It was back at home, when she asked, would you face silence beside me even with no signal forever? That's when I knew true love grows quietly, like a seed. Deep in the bush, Nick and I discovered our love might just be strong enough as so I hoped.